Hi everyone, welcome to Mac's Art Place. I haven't done a video in a few days because I haven't been feeling well. It's hard for me to breathe, so I went to have one of those COVID-19 tests, but I won't know till next week. But I thought I would try to do something really different, and that's what I'm trying. And then I'll go back to bed. I've got a 12 by 12 canvas and it's taped, and I'm going to put the Walmart white, no, the Dollar Tree white on the bottom, and I'm going to do a split swipe, which I haven't done before, but I'm trying something really different. I've taken 4 of the primary arts colors and I've mixed it with a mixture that I've mixed up myself, which consists of 4 ounces of Floetrol, 4 ounces of PVA glue, 2 ounces of Liquitex pouring medium, and 1 ounce of water. And I've mixed it. My swipe color is going to be Amsterdam's standard series, and it's a buff color. And the colors I've chosen is Passion, Spiced Pumpkin, Boysenberry, and Poppy Red. And I haven't used any of the mixture that comes with those colors. Excuse me. I've just used this glue mixture that I've mixed up. So we'll see what happens. Maybe it'll make me feel a little better. Who knows? So see you in a few. So I put the Dollar Tree white down on my 12 by 12. And I don't even think this is a canvas. I think it was originally came from the Dollar Tree, and it's it's kind of like a fabric, but it's not canvas. Had a picture on it. So I put white on top, and I'm reusing that. Get some paint on the sides here. I hope this works out. It'd be nice to know if something else works with these primary elements colors. If it turns out alright, I might try mixing it with some of those interference colors. I haven't had much success with them either. They don't seem to give me the shine that everybody else is getting. But you just keep trying, and eventually it should work out. All right, there's my white. And I'm going to split this way and this way. So if I'm going this way, I think I should put my colors that way. No, let's see, if I was swiping this way, I'd put my colors this way. So I have to put my colors this way. They're still kind of brilliant, even with that mixture that I did. So I'm swiping this way. I'm going to do that again. I'm having trouble remembering. So if I'm going this way, I put my colors this way. So if I'm going this way, I put my colors this way. All right. see is they're still rather brilliant. Used to pouring with bottles. I gotta learn how to pour from a cup. And we got this poppy red. I don't know how this glue mixture will come out, but I might even have too many red colors in here. Not enough something different. But this is how we learn. I like this color here. Well, maybe if I do that, it'll be easier to pour. Hey. Yay. It might contrast a little bit. Yellow would probably be a neat color to use as well. Maybe a little bit more of this. These cups are the little ones are hard to squeeze. Alrighty, and my torch is over here. And here is my buff. So we're going to do a swipe like that. Get all the way to the end, and a little bit here, and a little bit here. And I'm using this piece of cereal box. I seem to have liked the cardboard. Well, we'll start here. I don't want to put it on the floor. And turn it over for the other side. Darn. I'm not holding my cardboard right. Well, it's really bright. Doesn't seem like I have any cells. Should have said yet. Some people don't like cells. I don't know why they don't like cells. I do. I think I may even try some bubbles like Veronica. see if I can get this space over there. I'll use this little thing. Yep. Do something a little different. See, that was kind of like a spilled spot. So, we're going to do bubbles. So we can put some squigglies in here. Not too many. Just a little bit here and there. Well, it does look different. I'll have to say that. I am getting some cells. I don't like this spot here. So naturally I'm probably going to mess it up by fooling around with it. But I'm just going to put a dot there, dot here, and this is a problem space, so we're going to do that. And I'll get my little spreader. Alright, so we did this. Even out my squiggles. Yeah. I'll have to see how that dries. Well, you just watched my fooling around. I have no idea how that turned out. I kind of like it, and I think if I put bubbles in it like Veronica's does, it'll be something a little different than what I've been doing. Basically, you have to see what happens when it dries, because it always changes a little bit anyway. I'll take you down for a closer look. Well, it's bold. Kind of reminds me of the 4th of July, but you know, I found that no matter what you do, somebody likes it, even if you don't. So hope somebody likes this. We'll go in for a closer view. And I do have those cells. And when it's dry, I am going to put bubbles in the middle. Focus. Chicken pox. It looks like chicken pox. Well, let me know what you think, everybody. Thanks for watching. And you know, I always ask you to subscribe and thumbs up. See you next time. Bye-bye.